What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion, back today doing another video. Kind of doing something a little different. I do a fair amount of car or vehicle videos, a lot of the truck build, because Bambi doesn't get a lot of mods. She's pretty much built out how she's gonna be, but we gotta test her out. And Keith, or Outrageous Mechanic, right?
Yes, Outrageous Mechanic.
Outrageous Mechanic on YouTube is just got this new Mustang. So check his channel out if you want to go see some of the videos of him fixing it up and when he got it and everything. Pretty good. We're gonna go out and race both these cars up to the speed limit. We're gonna do a drag race up to the speed limit on the show. It's 55. So we're gonna go do a drag race up to 55. See who can get there faster. I think it's gonna be really close. Bambi's 2,100 pounds and she got 150 to the wheels.
I think I'm 3,100
Keith
pounds.
is 3,100 pounds, and he's got 190 to the crank. Who knows what his freaking taxes is for his transmission, but it'll be a fun little race, good little video. And Braxton's filming, so you know he's a cool kid. Keith, you got anything to say?
I'm really curious to see how it is because this car is completely bone stock. Devin's actually got an
intake, and I kind of got an exhaust because we took the muffler off.
Yeah, we modified it a little bit, so I'm really curious to see how it does actually. So,
but I do have 17, so these wheels are heavier than the factory ones. That's not going to help.
And this thing is bone stock.
He's got absolutely nothing. I got speakers, sound deadening, so it's a little louder. But come follow me. We gotta do this because it's fun. We gotta pop the trunk and be like, race car mode engaged. we have stripped as much weight as we could, pretty much. I didn't take like 2 tape measures out for work or whatever, but whatever. It's good enough. It's kind of funny, honestly. Keith has not taken a darn thing out of his car, nope. So yeah, I guess we're gonna cue going to freaking racing. Thank you, Braxton, for filming. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to just start up for my car and then Keith's car. It's not going to be quite too fair. Keith's going to be a race car driver, jump in. It's not going to be too fair because I'm going to leave my car running when Keith starts his up. Car. Just let them both idle. Yeah, the Mustang's got a lot more to it.
It sounds meaner now.
But V6, inline 4. Alright, now we're actually going to get to the racing, I promise. right, guys, as you've seen from those 3 races, Keith got us. The Mustang got us. But for the most part, we actually, you can't see it in the video because it's just facing the one direction. I should have put mine facing forward because Keith keeps getting us. But I can't launch my car for some reason. It's not launching. I'm in the dual clutch. I tried foot braking it. It doesn't do anything. The best launch I've had so far is not being barely having my foot on the brake, so it stops. And then as soon as I honk that last horn, flip the gas and not on the brake at all, obviously. Which made tighter gaps, and I kept getting closer and closer to Keith, but he just walks me every time. The gap stays the same once I can actually launch and go.
Once you get up, once you start rolling past 10 miles an hour, it's hard.
It just all of a sudden is like, light bulb! 1,000 pounds lighter. I guess the taxing is just not enough. His transmission's not soaking up that much horsepower.
Well, again, it is a Mustang.
And he's rear-wheel drive. I'm front-wheel drive, so it's a little easier to push than pull. Yeah. I don't know. We'll go back to some more racing.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, well, hopefully you enjoyed that video. We will be doing roll racing in another video, especially if you guys really like this video. But the Veloster did really good with compared to a Mustang, you know, inline 4 versus V6. Pretty interesting. But yeah, roll racing, I think I will stand a lot more of a chance because I can't get my car to launch, and it is because it's a dual clutch and it doesn't have the launch control like the newer ones, Gen 2s have and everything. And I'm just an NA Gen 1, 2013 NA Veloster. Not crazy powerful. Sorry I sound a little sick because I've been sick for the last like 3 weeks, 2 weeks, something like that. I don't know if it's allergies or if I'm sick, but yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.